जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। तेरे चेहरे से नजर नहीं हटती, नजारे हम क्या देखें। किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
Nice song, right? These are the songs that our parents and grandparents loved grooving to. But for one particular company, it became a gold mine, which has helped them earn a revenue of rupees 500 crore. So here I present you to the story of Saregama Karwa, a nostalgia-inspired brand in Mary Pay. So back then in 2013, India's biggest music label was struggling as a company and had to shut down stores across India. As India was moving towards digitization, and millennials were grooving over Ghana and Sawan.
Saregama was starting at a Kodak moment, just like a photography giant who took a hit because of digital camera which came into the place. Now company has two options, either to go out of the business or to innovate something new. But as an entrepreneur who has a zeal to create something new, Mr. Vikram Mehra launched Saregama Karwa in 2017, which looks like a bulky radio with 5,000 old Hindi songs where consumers don't have an option to select a particular song. So here one question comes in your mind, in the age of digital era, in the age of YouTube, Sawan and Ghana, where consumer has a choice to select a particular song, then who will buy this bulky radio? But surprisingly, by the end of 2018, company sold 1 million units, profits skyrocketed, and the company was awarded as the South Asia Brand of the Year award. But who are buying this bulky radio and why they are buying it? The answer lies in extensive research. As Saregama, being the big daddy of music industry before the digital era, analyzed 1.1 billion consumption points from their partners, which include YouTube, Sawan and Ghana, and came up with a catalog of 5,000 evergreen old Hindi songs.
So according to the research, they found that people in the age bracket of 40 plus loved the music from 60s and 70s but had trouble downloading and streaming the music from these apps, as they wanted a convenient source to use. Second, they also found that the people in the age bracket of 55 or so had the access to FM radio and stations like that and were listening to the old music from them but were cursing them because of the advertisements that were thrown to them. Third, research also revealed that fear of technology gets stronger as the person ages. In addition to that, 40 plus people from tier 2 and 3 cities were asked what did they fear the most after death, and the answer was being dependent on the children for the technology. Now with all these consumer insights, company was set out with a clear vision to create a product for these people who grew up listening to the music from Lata Mangeshkar, Mohammad Rafi, Asha Bhosle and many other great artists.
At a time when the brands are chasing millennials, Karwan targeted the market which are largely ignored by the brands. They targeted 40 plus audience who loved old music but find it difficult to listen and download it. But company also knew that the product is for someone else, but they had to talk to someone who can buy it.
So however, the audience for Karwa is not just the user, but it had two segments. The buyer, that is the millennials, and the consumer, that is their parents. And according to the research by Morgan Stanley, 70% of the household income is contributed by the millennials, which are born after 1982. Because they had the most disposable incomes and company knew that they cannot ignore this. So the company positioned the product as a unique gift to say that you care. Because people from the age bracket of 20 to 35 find it really difficult on what to give to their parents. As families are becoming nuclear and children start to live away from their parents, the urge to give and to do something special for the parents is really important. So they made a product which is made for old, sold to young, made for offline, sold online.
Now fast forward to today, company has sold more than 2 million units and they have also launched Karwan Go, Karwan Mini, Karwan for regional languages and Karwan 2.0, which connects to Wi-Fi and open the device to the world of podcast and audio content. Now to summarize, here are two important lessons which we can learn from this case study is first, consumer research. Whether you are introducing a new product or you are doing a new business, consumer research is very important because if you don't know what your consumer needs and what they want, you can't sell the product. Second, according to Pareto principle, 80% of your business comes from 20% audience, and here in this case, 20% audience was 40 plus people and the company knew how to target them. So that was the video for today.
अभी न जाओ छोड़कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं.
Hey, so if you like what we are doing, then do not forget to follow us, show your support by saving the video, and we will be back with another video.